Holy God, I think this is too hard. I don't even know how am I doing this. Oh my God, this is really heavy. At least, it's still cool. Hey Daddy, did you get my food? Well, it's not actually a food. It's like a fruits, but you can still eat them. Like this one. This one. You just have just take this one then. What the heck, Jeffy? I don't like fruits. I like fruits. What the hell? No, that doesn't make any sense. You're saying I don't like fruits, but you do like fruits? Okay, so that doesn't make any sense. All right, just you gotta eat one of the fruits. All right? No, I like fruits. God damn it, my son's dumb. All right. So I don't know. Eat fruits. I don't like fruits. I like fruits. Fucking God, just take your fidget spinner. Here, just take your fidget spinner. I'm just gonna. Cut.